Hello guys, so okay, I'm literally in the car right now. I'm not even joking. This is not AI. Literally, this is not AI. Wait. So guys, I only posted first. And oh my gosh. Okay, let's put that there. Okay, let me show you my mouse. No. Let me go show you my mouse. It's color purple for some reason.
Is that right? The O1 batch?
Look, it works.
Richard Mendoza, so I'm the president of batch.
It literally works. I'm in a car right now. And I flip, and my dad flipped this whole car. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is that kid doing? Okay, that is my that's my wait, what is this hole? Okay, so now wait.
Hindi.
Look.
Masarap yan o yung may cheese.
No. Okay, wait, God. Oh.
Pala dyan natin din riding bumili ng pagkain.
Sa buwagan.
Ah.
Ano mayroon ka naman sila? Paborito.
Bicol Express.
Ano ba to?
Park basketball.
Mas maganda yun.
Saan?
Doon na pinapuntahan natin.
May vlog ako.
I-vlog mo itong pagkain. Ayun na.
Oh. No.
Ano daw snack?
Mayroon na. Okay, siya na. Oh. No.
Pabili ka na.
Babang.
I'm done.
Oh.
Wait.
Photocopy. Paano malalaman kung depende lang kayo.
Paano kung pagpasok ko?
Oh my.
President ka ng OWA.
Oh my gosh. Ah.
tumunog eh.
Ayoko nga.
Wala nang iba kid. Doon sa kabila, nagdadaldalan sila.
Ha?
Doon sa kabila, nag-uusap lang. Doon sa kabilang station.
Kapapurahan naman po ito.
Oh gosh, guys, that's so loud. Not the light again. Yeah.
Ayun, yung bilihan ng ulam doon masarap. Ayan.
Ubusin mo na ito.
Sige ah.
Yan din. Ay, wala naman.
Oh God, yes. I'm in the bed. No, I have to eat it. Oh my gosh.
Ay, hindi ko yung makumurahan. Baka gusto ko din ito itong okoy.
Okoy ka ba siya?
Guys, it is a hard sheet.
Wala na yung itigan dito.
Wala na. Kasi yung dog.
Ha?
Yung dog.
Ba't nahabol na? Ay, ano? Tumatakbo, may dog?
Ay.
On both sides, no parking. Sa harap ng motor.
Oh.
Ba't piyesa ng Santo Niño? Santo Niño ba yan? Di ba Santa Ana yan?
Barangay Santa Ana, ay Santo Niño. Basta pag
No.
yes, sa Santo Niño.
Taga sa akin si Ate Lan.
No. Oh, so now, guys,